Hey guys, we're back. We did it. Well, I put on the box yesterday. My buddy did come and help me to put it on top of the truck. All he had to do was just lay it, and I did the rest on my own. Lined it up on my own today. So I did that. Screwed it in. It is all solid in already. This ain't going nowhere. It's in. It's in. Starting to look like a truck. This truck haven't had a bed like this ever since it was brand new from 3 years. The previous owner just went ahead and removed the box and put one of those big aluminum boxes in the back. So he spent so many thousands of dollars to put another big box in the back of it. So this is the first time this truck ever got its original, one of the original boxes back put on. It had just a slight little rest there. Not anything built up, it's just where the bed liner was rubbing. So all I did was just spray it. And I'm gonna put this right back on. I washed everything inside of it, cleaned it, and it's time to put this in here. I have the back rack to put as well. So stay tuned. Okay guys, this is in. This is very easy to do. It's all plastic anyway, so it's very easy, very light. Spray it on the box, and there it is. Anyways, time to put this. I'll put this together so then we could put this on top as well. Okay guys, since you noticed now by now, this is in. All I have to do, screw them in. Same going nowhere. Let's do the other one. Don't have to overkill it, but perfect. There we go. Anyways, I still have to tighten up these two right here. Let me get the right tool. Okay guys, this is definitely a 19. Oops. Gotta use both hands as I'm doing here. The spanner. Alright, I'll put it this way so I could rest my hands on it. And this way, and there we go. Another one done. We're doing the other side. Just 1 minute. Now that's also in. Everything is going along fine and smooth. The only two things, like I said, we're missing to do is and all the screws for the bed, I use anti-seize on them, and this is a silver grid, so the truck is actually coming along. I have something for it. I'm gonna keep this bumper, but I'm just gonna drill 2 holes into the frame, and I don't think it's gonna hurt the truck at the end where it is. I didn't wash the truck, but I did clean the tires. And if I clean the tires, I could shine them. Why not? I also clean the front. why it's still a little bit wet. Won't hurt either. Now, just gonna do this one. Just to make it look presentable. It's not like it's going anywhere, but nothing wrong with that. This tire is probably they're new, but I don't think he ever shined them, because where this truck used to be, shining tires I don't think really matter. Looks good. Starting to look good. This is looking like a truck. Anyways, this is the latest update. The next thing that I'm gonna do is try on my tailgate from the other truck on this, and hopefully it do work, so that I could line it up properly to figure out where the bumper goes. But until then, I'm not putting any holes in this yet. I'll keep it how it is for now. And tell me what you guys think. Those tires are not staying on, by the way. We have the other tires from the other truck, the rims and tires from the other truck that we're gonna take out. Hopefully I could do that sometime today. That's why I just clean this up, so if I'm putting them away, they already clean. And in the winter season, we could use them on the other truck instead. These are Steelies, so we'll put these Steelies on the backup truck, and hopefully this gets to be the main truck. Anyways, thanks for watching. Tell me what you guys think of the progress that you've seen. Had it not been for the tail lights, if the tail lights were fitting, you'd have seen it with the tail lights on, and I really did like those tail lights, and I'll show you why. It's because of these. Unfortunately, it don't work, so I might go to someone who really needs it, just not me. Anyways, just a little rest right there. I could take care of that, but since this gotta be this color, I'm not worried about it. And that's all, folks, for now. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe again. Victor the Landscaper, doing something a little bit different today, and I'm out. Peace.